Yo guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rune, and today we will be doing a review on the newest Nike Supreme blazer in the black colorway. So the retail price on this shoe was $130 with shipping and taxes included. It's not the first time Nike and Supreme release a Nike SB blazer. This is actually the second time since 2006, so it was the exact same silhouette, just different colorways. So this release was actually about two new colorways. So you had the denim one, but I've chosen for the black one. It looked way more stylish and way more high quality. Maybe it's because of like the gold and the snakeskin in combination with the black. I don't really know actually. So we're gonna start off with our toe box, and it's actually the base layer of the whole shoe in the same material and color. So we have this like black quilted leather. It's actually really high quality and it feels very nice. And to add some high-end touch, they use this like golden pull tab with Supreme engraved. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera. And they also used the Nike Supreme tag right here, also with a few drops of gold. It's pretty nice actually. Then for the swoosh, they chose to go with a actually also some sort of a gold color with like this hints of black between it, with some yellow goldish stitching on both sides. And then right here on the heel tab, they did a cutout of the Nike logo. So I'm going to go back to the swoosh now for a minute. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but they used a snakeskin pattern. It's very nice, feels very high quality. And then they used black on the midsole, and they also created a black outsole. And then I'm going to go back to the heel again. So right here they used a checkered pattern on a canvas like piece of canvas with this like checkerboard. So they come standardly black laced with also like this golden lacing tips, and you also get an extra pair of free white laces. They also added this world famous Supreme Nike silicone keychain. And on the insole is written Supreme Nike SB. And now let's see how they look on feet. My video about the Nike blazer in collaboration with Supreme in the black colorway. Hope you like it. If you like my videos, please go on and press that blue thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go on and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget my social media. It's right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.